We're going to show you a series of videos that were taken here at IBA Inward Boxing Academy, which are going to show the H-System MMA trapping, locking, grappling, fighting system. These are not going to be in-depth videos, but they'll give you a taste of what this system is about. There's going to be some kickboxing, there's going to be some boxing, there will be some trapping, locking, and there'll be some grappling. Also, there'll be a knife demo also, which is considered H-System MMA knife video demos as the ultimate combination of all knife fighting systems in the world, special forces, whatever have you, soldier of fortune, assassins, etc. Knife fighting systems from the archaic Philippines, Brazil, etc., etc. And so you'll be seeing both all these videos today, and hopefully you'll enjoy them and see how revolutionary this system is. This is a revolutionary mixed martial arts system. Brand new system. It is all styles combined in 6 ranges of fighting, etc., with philosophies, strategies that help the student or the fighter reach his or her goal. The H-System MMA system also allows you, as you get advanced, to improvise the system. So hopefully you'll enjoy these videos, but you'll understand that this is the modern era, etc. Martial arts is an art form. It has to modernize, it has to mutate in order to grow, otherwise it becomes traditional. When you have something that's traditional, it can be defeated, etc. All you have to do is look at your technology systems. Technology systems evolve, etc., to help humanity. Martial arts systems evolve to help humanity. Philosophies have not changed, techniques have not changed. Well, H-System mixed martial arts is changing it.